Jamaica's 50th, for me, is a celebration of a people from a small island in the Caribbean whose population has not exceeded 3 million. And the level of creativity that this small group of people, based on their history, based on everything that came before uh, our independence, and there were some atrocities, and we could go on with that forever. However, they chose to turn into positive things. I do believe that for such a small island with a small population, and based on our history and what we have survived and celebrated, uh, there's a certain level of uh, confidence that makes you challenge the system, whether it be our writers, um, our great minds, Marcus Garveys of the world, the Bob Marleys of the world. Uh, it speaks about the people who believe in what they have to say. They believe in having an audience and truly believe that people will listen if they do it properly. I think the visual arts is an extension of that. I think theater is an extension, so is dance. All aspects of Jamaican uh, arts, I think we would have to consider to be one of our more marketable international currencies. It's a very potent currency, and that is our culture. And to not nurture culture is to uh, put the cap on its culture, or to not. Sorry, I should rephrase that. To not nurture art is to put a cap on the culture, because the culture is what represents the people. And Jamaicans are a proud people based on our elaborate and expressive and international culture that's been embraced from one corner of the globe to the other.